Have you ever found yourself standing over an open suitcase, feeling overwhelmed, wondering if there is a better way to pack, or worse, kicking yourself for overpacking? Once again, we've all faced that packing dilemma at some point. But the good news is that after hitting more than 45 countries, I've learned a thing or two about what to pack and what to leave behind. You will be surprised to learn that so many travel items are actually useless, and many experienced travelers like me don't pack them. In this video, we are diving into the essentials of smart packing for international travel. It's all about ditching the unnecessary and making room for the stuff that really matters. Smart packing is not just about having a lighter suitcase, it can actually enhance your travel experience. First thing first, let's talk about bags and suitcases. Choosing the right suitcase or travel bag is very important. It's about selecting a companion that can make every step of your journey smoother and more enjoyable. One of my favorite brands is Level 8. They actually send me the luggage and we use them for our 2-month trip around Asia. And honestly, they passed the test. I have the whole video about that, you can check it and the link is here. Their bags are spacious and have a hard shell case, but the real game changer is definitely the wheels. They glide so smoothly and they are indestructible. But there is more to picking a suitcase than just picking a quality brand. Color plays a huge role too. While it might be tempting to stick with the classic black because it doesn't get dirty, you know, it can be a nightmare trying to spot your black bag on a crowded baggage carousel. Going for a brighter or more unusual color can save you a lot of time and hassle. Plus, it reduces the risk of someone else walking off with your luggage by mistake. Believe me, I've seen that before. A simple change can make a difference in your travel experience. Luckily, Level 8 has a variety of colors. Another feature that I absolutely love about these suitcases is the TSA locks. It's such a relief to know that your belongings are secure, whether you're flying or leaving your bags with the hotel. For your convenience, I left the link to the suitcase and my discount code in the description of this video. Depending on the length of your trip, you have the flexibility to travel with only carry-ons or checked bags. For international trips that extend over a week or so, it is wise to use the carry-on for essentials on a plane and pack items you won't immediately need in a larger checked suitcase. This strategy not only ensures that you have everything you need with you, but also keeps your carry-on light and manageable. So let's talk about what to bring on the plane with you. Obviously, your passport is a must-have, but let's talk about passport covers. Experienced travelers never use them. Trust me, they are more of a hassle than help. While they might look nice, you'll find yourself constantly removing the cover for security checks and borders control. In the end, it's easier and faster to keep your passport without the cover. Now, on to the debate about neck pillows. When I started traveling, I bought one, but I ended up just carrying it around and didn't know what to do with it. They take up a lot of space and honestly, they are useless. If you're on a long-haul flight, most likely the airline will give you a pillow. But if you still think you really need it, get an inflatable one. They are compact and easy to carry. Now let's talk about the item you need to have with you on the plane. First and foremost, any medication you need should always be with you. Even if you're on a short flight, checked bags can arrive late or even get lost. Headphones are another must-have for any flight. Some airlines might give you a pair, but they are not very good. Noise-canceling headphones are the best. Whether you are trying to watch a movie, listen to music, or block out cabin noise, I cannot travel without my noise-canceling headphones. Carrying hand sanitizer and wipes is also essential, perfect for quick cleanups and sanitizing your space on the plane, especially if you want to eat. It is wise to have a bit of cash on you. It's true that many transactions can be done digitally or by card, but when you travel to a new destination, it is always helpful to have some cash. You never know. You might not find a working ATM or your cards might stop working. It's better to be safe than sorry. Look at my cash. Actually, it's from the last trip. Let's talk about entertainment. Physical books are heavy and take up space. Digital alternatives like a Kindle or audiobooks are more travel friendly. They allow you to bring along as many books as you like without adding weight to your luggage. Now that we've covered the carry-on essentials, let's dive into the world of checked luggage. Always remember, valuables like jewelry, electronics, and important documents should stay with you in your carry-on and never pack them in your checked-in luggage. For clothing, you need to pack items that you can mix and match, creating multiple outfits from a few pieces. This is especially crucial for longer trips. It is important to choose fabric that are lightweight, wrinkle-resistant, and easy to dry in case you need to wash your clothes. Obviously, you can bring larger toiletry items in your checked luggage, but to save some space, you can use smaller refill containers. Remember, you still need to pack them in a waterproof bag to prevent any leaks from ruining your clothes. If you don't have a waterproof bag, you can simply put it in the plastic bag with the zip. Do not pack hiking boots unless your travel involves actual hiking in the mountains. Otherwise, just go for comfortable walking shoes. I personally like to go for stylish trainers that I can match with dresses. Always wrap up your shoes in a plastic bag to keep your clothes clean. I have seen many people buying a travel-size hairdryer, but you won't need it. Most hotels and Airbnbs provide hairdryers. It is a waste of money and space. It is always good to pack a small emergency kit in your checked luggage. I usually pack a small first aid kit, mostly because all of my travels involves adventure and outdoor activities. Let's address the issue of just-in-case items. You definitely don't need them. Pack only what you are sure you will need. This approach not only saves space, but also spares you from lugging around unnecessary weight. Finally, I always make sure to leave some space in my luggage for souvenirs. Traveling exposes us to unique culture experiences and items that we won't find anywhere else. When I come across something truly special and unique that I want to bring back home, having that extra space in my luggage is a lifesaver. It's disappointing to fall in love with a souvenir only to realize there is no room to pack it. So I plan ahead. This doesn't mean packing less than I need, but rather packing smart. I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know in the comment if you have any question. Same as always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.